Where's your teeth?
Smile.
Where's your teeth?
Do I have to get the bear to tickle you? The bear might come tickle you.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay, guys. Tell them what you. Mateo, did you tell Santa what you want? Tools. Yeah. Did you say thank you, Santa? Go tell Santa thank you.
Thank you.
That was fun. Oh,